Introducing paperless record taking, report making, and browsing all from your iPad with the power of Conmas iReporter. Tom is an equipment inspector at a maintenance facility. With his binder of check sheets, diagrams, manuals, and digital camera, he's off to the inspection site. After arriving to the site, he carries out his tests, carefully recording the results in his check sheets and takes many photos. After an exhausting day of testing and lugging around equipment throughout the site, he returns to the office where an empty Excel spreadsheet awaits. He adds in all of the results from his check sheets into the spreadsheet, then attaches the photos from his digital camera. With the report done, he submits it to his boss. But he's not done yet. On top of all this, he now needs to input all of the test results into a task management system. From paper check sheets to spreadsheets in Excel to the management system, Tom's having to re-enter the same data over and over again. And since each time requires a careful check for mistakes, the whole process takes a lot of time. With all the long hours of overtime work, even finding time to meet his girlfriend has been a challenge. If only there was a way to handle the field tests, spreadsheet reports, and entries into the management system simultaneously. Naturally, his coworkers were wondering the same. Then, one day as Tom was browsing the internet on his iPad, he had a flash of inspiration. He thought to himself, if I could manage all of my reports from my iPad, I could save a ton of time, on top of not having to lug around so many different belongings. After a quick search, he discovered Conmas iReporter. Conmas iReporter can create an iPad application where he can make an electronic report easily from an Excel spreadsheet that he used to make his report until now. Then, he can use his iPad to make a report in the field. From spreadsheets, he's making a huge leap forward with the ability to enter his data and make his reports right on the spot using only an iPad. Since his iPad can take photos as well, he's got all his bases covered. Conmas iReporter even stores his diagrams and manuals for quick and easy access. And as Conmas iReporter is a native iPad application, he has access to everything he needs at all times, even if he's without a signal down in the building's basement. He's truly able to achieve all he could before, but with just a single iPad. And without all of his binders weighing him down, he's able to work faster and more efficiently than ever. After finishing the inspection, he sends all of his data directly through the iPad from the scene. With all data checks automatically by mandatory function and setting digit of numbers taken care of, his data is sent to the office server, and the report that before would have taken countless hours is automatically outputted as not only Excel format, but also a PDF. On top of that, the data is automatically registered in the task management system. Returning to the office for tedious data entry and report making is no longer necessary. Tom's boss is also thrilled with the faster turnaround and finds the transition to paperless also eliminated entry errors. With the time Tom has saved, he can finally have a date with his girlfriend. Whether in manufacturing, managing a building, operating a franchise, or running a dental clinic, Conmas iReporter is the paperless solution for on-the-spot records, reporting, and browsing, made possible through the fusion of digital and handwritten input. Put an end to countless hours of tedious report making and create a business style of your very own with Conmas iReporter. Change without changing. 65% cost reduction by Magical Document.